Hi, I'm Courtney. I'm the marketing manager here at Surface Art, and we'd like to talk about some new trends that are coming for 2021. This brand new product is called Baroque. We just got it in stock last month, so hot off the shelf. It comes in 4 colors. So we have 2 grays, a lighter and a darker, a white, and then the very bold green. It's kind of a nice olivey green. We've seen blues and greens really being the colors that are trends for 2020, and that's going to lead into 2021 as well, especially here in the Northwest. The blues and the greens are loved, so we're glad to be able to add more to the collection. As far as the shapes go, we have the picket that you see here that's installed, an arabesque as well, kind of more curvatures as far as the size goes, and then a traditional square. Surface Art is proud to partner with Affordable Interiors. They are an official partner of Surface Art. Any product that we have in stock here locally in Kent, Washington, you can find there at their location.
Hi, my name is Kennedy, and I work here in the showroom in the marketing department at Surface Art. We just launched this new line, Artisan, right here behind me. It comes in 6 colors and 2 finishes. This is really nice, so you can have it for either glossy or matte. It's a wall-only tile, but it comes in multiple sizes, a 3x6 and a 3x12. I love seeing it installed in a mixture of both the glossy and matte finish. I think it's a fun play on texture and the way the light hits the tile. The greens and blues are really popular right now, so even though it might be a little scary to add a color to your home, a pale blue or green is always a good option because you can pair it with anything neutral, especially a white or like a dark gray.
Hi, I'm Jody. I'm Affordable Interiors Surface Art rep, and I wanted to introduce you to one of my favorite collections. This is called Harmony. It's got 3 different elements with the same tone. You've got your wood, you've got a cement look, and then you've got a travertine look. And the reason why this is so great, because it's impervious, it's porcelain, so compared to the natural elements, if you had real hardwoods or real cement or a real natural travertine stone, you don't have to worry about it staining, you don't have to worry about cleaning it, you don't have to worry about any of the sealing aspects of it. Pretty much can put this on any surface possible, and it all is in the same tone. To add one more texture piece, because texture is really in with tile, is I wanted to show you to add a glass element. This could be for your niche or a backsplash option around your vanity, but see how all these tones tie into this. So you can pull out the lights, the darks, and the middle tones of the grays or the beige, which is trending right now in 2021.
Hi, I'm Courtney. I am the marketing manager here at Surface Art. Welcome to the Surface Art showroom. I've been with the company for 5 years now, and it's been really great to watch us grow. We've developed a lot of our looks. You'll see here, Gallant was introduced just over a year ago. Great cement look, available in a 12x24, 24x24, and a 24x48. Tile is getting bigger and bigger or smaller and smaller. You either want large format, minimal grout lines, or nice little decos that you're using on the wall or in shower pans, etc. At Surface Art, we're happy to be stocking all product here locally in Kent, Washington, available for pickup same day, shipping next day. We love being involved in the local community here and are proud to be celebrating our 20th year anniversary.
This line right next to me is called Iconic. It's a new marble line for us, and we love it because it is available in lots of sizes and colors and finishes. So to start, we have it in these 4 colors: a Nero Marquina, a Calicotta Gold, and a Dolomite. They come in lots of sizes. So for field sizes, it's going to be 12x24, 24x24, and 24x48. Iconic is a great go-to line. So during your next bathroom or kitchen remodel with Affordable Interiors, be sure to pick out one of these mosaics for either your backsplash or your floor. Great things about this line is it comes in 4 mosaics and 2 finishes in each color, which gives you lots of options to choose from. You can do polished or the satin. Both are good for the wall or the floor since they're made out of porcelain. As well, we have a corresponding bullnose for every color and finish for a seamless look.
Surface Art doesn't only offer tile, glass, and natural stone for affordable interiors, but also luxury vinyl tile, or LVT. We have a total of over 15 colors offered. And what's great about LVT is not only the price range, but the durability as far as waterproofness goes. There's a limestone and pad backing on the back as well, which helps for sound resistance. So if you need to install this on a second, third, fourth floor, you're going to have that durability as well too. They come in multiple variations and colors, so you can see there's ones that are a little bit more subtle, neutral, and ones that have more variation here like our barnwood. So whatever style you want, whether it be more modern or classic or a little bit more rustic, LVT is a great way to go. Surface Art is proud to partner with Affordable Interiors. You can find all of our products there in their showroom, from floor tile to wall tile, decos, color, more neutrals, anything that you need.